The history of this area is coal. We've seen mines close on a regular basis, and we said, look, you need a special program to help these folks. They love this area, they don't want to leave it, but if there aren't any jobs, they're not going to stay. Being able to utilize federal and state monies, we were able to keep the door open and provide services for the rural mining communities of Appalachian.
Manufacturing in this area is growing. We started a mechatronics training program to help train dislocated coal miners into advanced manufacturing.
So there's a bunch of different programs on here. As you can see over here, pickup cylinder, linear transfer. So you can switch everything that you want. Right now we're gonna run in the linear mode.
Oh, is that what it is?
But yeah, you program.
Young folks from the rural mining communities hopefully see this as a pathway to a career.
I have over 11 years working underground in a coal mine. I feel like it's a dying industry. I hope that there are sustainable jobs for the future of this area. I have a 16-year-old son that's a 10th grader in high school. People that are just coming into the workforce can benefit from any sort of technology-based training. I don't want the coal industry to be the only life that's in this area.
I really love the hands-on training that we're getting. I hope in the future that with my skills I learned in this class, I will be able to get a maintenance position, which will help me make more money.
It's working.
So this should probably be able to pick the balls back up.
Yeah.
It makes me feel good about the area I live in.
The whole intent of the UMWA Career Centers, Inc. is to take people out of the situation that they're in and to help them find hope and opportunity. And it feels amazing to be able to find a way to do that for each of them.